बार फिर से आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल से मानसर मुरैनी में। स्टूडेंट, इसके पहले वाली वीडियो में हम लर्न कर चुके हैं लाइट एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लाइट। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अ न्यू टॉपिक known as reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of light means reflection of in the reflection of light we say when a ray of light fall on a polished smooth surface. When a ray of light falls on polished smooth surface such as mirror, aluminium, etc. It returned back into the same medium. When a ray of light falls on a smooth polished surface, when it return back into the same medium, this phenomena of light is called reflection of light, or you can say in other words, this phenomena of light is known as reflection of light. Suppose that it is a plane, polished smooth plane like as a mirror. Suppose that it is a mirror and a ray of light fall upon it. When a ray of light fall at the mirror, it returned back at same medium. When a ray of light fall down at a mirror or a plane smooth surface, it returned back. This phenomena of light is called the reflection of light. In the definition of reflection of light, I have said that when a ray of light fall on the polished smooth surface, it returned back into the same medium. This phenomena of light known as reflection of light. In the phenomena of reflection of light, the ray of light which fall down at the mirror, is called incident ray of light. It called incident ray of light and denoted in shortly IR. The ray of light which gets reflected from the polished surface or mirror. I said the ray of light which get reflected. The ray of light which get reflected by the mirror is called refracted ray of light and denoted by RR. R means reflected ray of and R means reflected ray of light. Refracted ray. IR means incidence ray. If we draw a perpendicular line at an incidence point, then it is called normal. It is called normal. Student, I said when the ray of light falls on the polished smooth surface, it returned back same medium. when the ray of light fall down a polished smooth surface or mirror or aluminum, it returned back the same medium. This phenomena of light is called the reflection of light. In the reflection of light, the ray of light which fall down is called incidence ray, and ray of light which returned back is called reflected ray, and a normal drawn at the incidence point or perpendicular line drawn at the incidence point is called normal. Now we can see it is an angle create. Now set the angle which created between incidence ray and normal. I said angle which created between normal and incidence ray. Normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence and denoted by small I. The angle which made between incidence ray and normal is called angle of incidence and denoted by small I. Now, the angle which create between reflected ray and normal. The angle which created between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflected and it is denoted by small r. I said the angle which create between normal and incidence ray is called angle of incidence and denoted by small r. The angle which create between reflected ray and normal is called reflected angle, or you can say angle of reflected and denoted by small r. I said in this topic, when a ray of light fall down at a surface plane, it returned back at same medium. The phenomena of light is called refraction of light. In the refraction of light, the ray of light which fall down is called incidence ray. The ray of light which return back is called reflected light, and the perpendicular line which drawn at the incidence point is called normal. The angle which made between normal and incidence ray is called angle of incidence and denoted by small I, and the angle which made between reflected ray and normal it's called angle of reflected and denoted by small r. Now we are going to study kinds of reflection. Kinds of reflection. There are two kinds of reflection. There are two kinds of reflection. First, regular reflection. Regular reflection and regular reflection also called specular reflection. Specular reflection. And second, irregular reflection. Regular and irregular. When the reflection of a parallel beam of light from a mirror, so that the reflected ray are parallel to each other, is called regular or specular refraction. I said the refraction of light, the refraction of a parallel beam of light, the refraction of a parallel beam of light by a mirror so that the reflected rays are parallel to each other. It's called irregular or specular refraction. Like it, it is a mirror. Suppose it is a mirror. One ray of light fall down and reflected, and one other is fall down and reflected. One other is fall down and reflected. It is a regular reflected or specular reflected. And other, the reflection of light from a rough irregular surface such as walls, a room, page of a book, randomly in a various direction parallel to each other, is called irregular or diffused reflection. Suppose that it is a reflected surface, and a ray of light fall down here and it reflected here, and one other fall down and reflected there, one other fall down then reflected. We can see in this figure that this angle and that angle is not equal, so it is, we can say it is irregular refraction, and this one is a regular refraction. Now we are going to study rules of reflection. Rules of reflection. There are two rules of reflection. First rules, the incidence ray, reflected ray, incidence ray, refracted ray, and normal drawn in the incidence point all lie in same plane. I said in first law, incidence ray, refracted ray, and normal drawn at the incidence point all lies on same plane. And second law, angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection or angle of reflected. I said angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. It means angle I is equal to angle R. These are two rules of reflection. I repeat this. I said in first rules, incidence ray, refracted ray, and normal drawn in the incidence point all lies at same plane. And second law, angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. Thank you so much.